Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how I make my spring rolls with homemade sweet and sour sauce. First, I'm getting my vegetables prepped. Peel and thinly slice a carrot. You'll want about 1 cup. And thinly slice around 2 cups of cabbage. Finely mince 1 garlic clove, or more if you prefer. Add a little oil to your pan, set on medium heat, and add 1 pound of ground pork. Ground beef, chicken, or turkey would be good too. To this I'm adding the garlic, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Cook until it's all cooked through. I like browning mine a little too. To the same pan, cook the carrot and cabbage. Add salt and pepper. When done, add it to the pork and mix it all together. Let cool before assembling your spring rolls. For the sweet and sour sauce, to a pot add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Stir continuously until the sauce has thickened. Give it a taste. If you like it more sweet, you can add more brown sugar, or more sour, add more vinegar. Now assembly time. Mix together 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of water to form a paste. This helps to seal the wrappers. Lay out a wrapper with a corner pointed toward you. Place about a 1/4 cup of filling on the wrapper. Make sure not to overfill or the wrapper may burst open while frying. Fold the corner up over the mixture. Fold left and right corners toward the center and roll. Brush a bit of the flour paste on the corners to help seal. You can use the medium-sized spring roll wrappers or smaller ones like I used. Heat oil to 350 Fahrenheit. Place a few spring rolls in at a time, turning occasionally until golden brown. You can actually bake them too. They will still be very crispy. I got 33 rolls from this recipe. If you've only ever bought frozen spring rolls at a grocery store or ordered at a restaurant, you're in for a treat because homemade is the way to go here. Plus, you can fill them with whatever you want. And I like making big batches to have on hand in the freezer. Serve with the sweet and sour sauce or your go-to sauce and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.